After a tragedy, a family moves out in the middle of nowhere to begin the healing process. Little do they know they may have discovered something horrible in their new home. Hey everybody, I'm Gino Reynolds from The Real Gino. Today we're going to take a look at Kate Beckinsale's new horror thriller, The Disappointments Room, which probably didn't make it even close to any of your theaters. I thought about coming up with some clever puns about how bad this movie is, but I don't even think I want to waste my time doing that. There is nothing about this unoriginal thriller that makes it even worth watching for free on Netflix, and even if you watched it free on Netflix, you'd probably still ask for your money back. Is there really something haunting the house, or is it really in her mind? Ooh, scary, I'm on the edge of my seat here. No, really, I am. Seriously, I am. There's a side story about her losing a child as well, and you can see where it's going a mile away. There's also a side story about a young fix-it man wanting to have sex with Kate Beckinsale's married character. While I, a red-blooded heterosexual male, would probably want the same thing, it really had no place being crammed into this movie. My feelings on an unoriginal movie like The Disappointments Room is this: if you're gonna do something unoriginal, at least make it interesting. This one couldn't even do that, but remember, it's only just one guy's opinion. For more of the latest movie reviews and entertainment news, subscribe to The Real Gino YouTube channel and go to The Real Gino Facebook page and give it a like. Until next time, I'm Gino Reynolds from The Real Gino.